Another one of our CNC original laser designs from the standing cutting board with kickstand and clip lineup. This one is the modern arch style, and I'm pairing it with the exclusive recycled decoupage paper crockery masterboard. I love this paper. I have some milk paint left over, so I'm painting the back of the cutting board along with the kickstand assembly with the milk paint. This DIY kit is cut from 1/4 inch MDF board, and all of the DIY kits shown today can be found on our website at cncdiyfactory.com. For the front of the board, I am painting it with one coat of the White Swan by DIY Paint. As soon as I saw this paper, I knew I wanted to use this big crock on this cutting board. I'll use my water pen to create a water line around the image, and then I'll tear it out along that line. Once I have the image lined up where I want it, I will use my DIY liquid patina and lay down an even layer and as a starter strip on the cutting board. Then I'll spritz my paper with water and smooth down the paper. Unfortunately, this is where it all went off kilter. I accidentally moved my paper but did not realize how much I moved it until after I had it completely down. And here is where I realized it was way off. So I just carefully lifted the decoupage paper up and repositioned it. I love that recycled paper is tough enough to handle moving it around a bit when I make a mistake. There, now it's all centered and smoothed back out, and whoo, that was a close one. Catastrophe avoided, it is dry, and I am sanding off the excess paper. The milk paint needs to be sealed, but I want to add the kickstand base plate to the cutting board before I seal it to ensure a good bond. I'm using Titebond Quick and Thick and a little bit of the Stick Fast CA glue in the thick formula. Each board has a scored rectangle on the back indicating where the base plate should be adhered. To seal the milk paint, I am using the Sweet Pickens oil wax in dark. I'm applying an even layer, then I'm waiting for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to soak into the paint before I'm wiping off the excess. Once I have all the excess oil wax removed, I will finish attaching the kickstand assembly to the back of the cutting board. Each kit comes with detailed instructions on how to assemble the kickstand. Each standing cutting board kit also comes with a clip to attach to the front of the cutting board so you can display photos, recipes, greenery, or other ephemera. And one final step is to apply some DIY clear wax to seal the front. What a unique addition to any farmhouse style or vintage decor. Let me know what your thoughts are on this piece.